Welcome, here I've got Hammer Iron 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this, as you can see we get access to advanced camera settings, and at the second position here is the location info function. So by using this button we can easily turn off and turn on the camera location tags. As you can see, this is how it works here. Also, the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save the location of your picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom to the preview. So this is our picture in the gallery. When we slide it down, we get access to the details of it, as you can see. And here we have the location with maps. So greetings from Krakow. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.